So like I said, I'll be talking about 10 TOEIC Speaking Part 5 question, which is question number 11. And I'm going to go right into the first question that I prepared. The question is, in your opinion, should vending machines in high schools only provide healthy beverages and foods? Why or why not? Support your answer with specific details. Okay. Now, when you think about vending machines, I know that Japan, I know you guys have so many different kinds of vending machines, right? I mean, it's like vending machine heaven. It's like a place where you guys like put everything into the vending machine. In Korea, we don't have that many kinds of things sold at the vending machines. We have, of course, like snacks, some beverages. I saw an ice cream vending machine recently. They sell Haagen-Dazs ice cream. But I've never seen vending machines selling any healthy food. That's the point. Yeah. But here they're talking about high schools. So, when you see a question like this, you shouldn't go too far. You shouldn't go too far. It's always about creating the right example, right? Creating the right example. So it's all about what kind of situation you are going to set. I have a microphone in front of me, so it's like sort of covering up my keyboard. It's a little bit hard to type. So situation. And what kind of trouble did you have? And what kind of action did you take? And then, so what was the result? So I tell my students that this is the star. You have to focus on building your star. All right, so your storyline has to be star. So in this case, of course, it has to be in high school, right? The question is already telling you that you should be talking about your high school years. So when you were in high school, that would be your 10th, 11th, 12th grade, okay, in Korean. And the trouble that you had. The main reason we want to eat something, we want to drink some kind of beverage, or we want to eat something is because I am hungry, right? It would be that I'm hungry, right? So the action that you would take is, of course, you would go to a vending machine, use the vending machine, right? And obviously the word is already provided there. It's vending machine. And if you're smart enough, you would use all the words given in the question because it's there on the screen. It doesn't disappear. It doesn't go away, right? So you use the vending machine and you bought some beverages and foods. Okay. The reason why there's S behind beverages and foods is showing that there were many kinds of beverages and there were many kinds of foods in that vending machine. Okay. But you would have to mention whether it was healthy or they sold unhealthy choice of food. Okay? So in case of healthy food, then you would have become healthier, right? The result will be different. You would have become, I became is the word, healthy. But if you ate lots of unhealthy food, then I guess the result will be, I became unhealthy, right? So that's the way you build up a story for this question. Okay. So guys, with this storyline, I'm going to show you how I would be answering this question. Okay? So here's my answer. Well, in my opinion, vending machines in high school should only provide healthy beverages and foods. And there are several reasons to support my opinion. And most of all, it is very helpful for the student's health, right? For example, when I was in high school, I was a good student. So I studied really hard. I studied many things like math, English, and so on. And, when there was an exam, I had to study day and night. It was so stressful. And, I gained a lot of weight. So I wanted to eat healthy food. And then luckily, when I was studying at school, sometimes I got really hungry and then I wanted to eat something, but I didn't have anything. And then there was a vending machine and it sold lots of healthy food like vegetables, veggie sticks, or fruits, and so on. So I was able to eat healthy food and I was able to become healthier. That's why I think so. That's what I would say. So apparently, I was in high school and I got hungry because I studied really hard. And then I used a vending machine. I ate healthy food and I became helpful, meaning that it was very helpful for me, right? Or you can go the other way around. All right, so this is if I take the other side. All right, so let me show you the other version. Well, I don't think vending machines in high school should only provide healthy beverages and foods. There are several reasons to support my opinion. Well, most of all, it isn't necessary. Okay. Well, for example, when I was in high school, I was a good student. I had to study many things like math, English, and so on. I had to study day and night, and I usually studied until late at school. And sometimes I got really hungry, and there was a vending machine at my school, and it sold lots of unhealthy food like chocolate bars, chips, cookies, and so on. And sometimes I used a vending machine and I ate those unhealthy snacks, but it was good. I was able to appease my hunger and I was able to get rid of stress. And it was very helpful for me because after that, I was able to focus back on my studies. And that's why I think so. Yeah. So in this case, I'm like, okay, so there was a vending machine and I used it and I ate chocolate. I ate chips, cookies, but it was okay. Because, when we eat unhealthy food like that, like sweets, chocolate, we get rid of stress, right? Oh, and one expression that I used here was I was able to appease my hunger, meaning I was able to, like when you feel hungry, your stomach grumbles or right, it makes that sound, and then you give some food to your stomach. It says, okay, I'm happy. That is appeasing my hunger. It's like giving yourself food. So you forget about hunger. You're not hungry anymore. So I was able to appease my hunger. Okay. Take care of my hungriness. That's the expression that I used. Okay. So this is the approach that I would take if I have to answer this question. A lot of people said, wow, this was very hard when it appeared on the test. And I would say, it depends. If you know the way that I do it, then I think it's going to get easier for most of you. Okay, Mr. Huang, I think it's not a good idea to provide only healthy foods in high schools. Well, that is true. I mean, like when I was not even in high school, in elementary school, they used to sell ice cream only during the lunchtime. And I really loved eating that ice cream. So I would ask my mother for allowance. Like back in the days, I had to get quarters, which is like 25 cents in US dollars. And I would take that quarter and buy ice cream. And it was like my pleasure. It was like one time a day pleasure kind of thing. Yeah. It's a guilty pleasure. Oh, it was my guilty pleasure. Like we know it's bad, but I feel good. It was my guilty pleasure. Yeah. We know it's guilty, but we do something like that. We know it's bad, but still we feel good. We get rid of stress. That's why.